how to make renting help your credit. You know, when it comes to your credit, there are 5 key factors that are used to generate your credit score. The number one factor, the most common and most popular factor, is on-time monthly payments. Now, obviously, you pay your rent monthly, and you would think that if you're paying your rent on time every month, it should cast a good reflection on your credit. But that's not necessarily true. You know, so the question is, how do you do that? How do you get your on-time monthly rent payments to appear on your credit report? Well, there's a couple of reasons or a couple of ways you can do that. Number one is that in 2010, Experian, which is one of the largest credit bureaus, purchased a company called Rent Bureau. And Rent Bureau works with management properties that have 500 units or more. So if you're in a large, rental property with over 500 rental units, talk to your landlord about, will these rent payments appear on my credit report? They should, and that's why. But now, what if you're in a situation where you have maybe just a dozen rental units, and you're in a property that doesn't have the advantages of Rent Bureau helping your on-time monthly payments appear on your credit report? Well, there's a service called WilliamPaid.com. What they'll do is make your payments and make sure all of the credit bureaus are notified about your on-time monthly payments. So you can make your on-time monthly rent payments appear on your credit report and help give your credit a boost. I would also suggest that no matter what you do, talk to your landlord about it and see if he does this. If not, and if you're in a smaller unit where there's not as many units as what would be required by Rent Bureau, go to WilliamPaid.com. It doesn't matter whether or not your landlord is participating in the program. They do it all for you. Now, it will cost you a few bucks every month, but that could be worth it if it gives your credit a boost.